Everyone. This is just a quick video on how to get to the resources for the book birding assessment. So in the assessment, what you're going to be assessed over are these two pieces of information here. So I would just want to make sure you know exactly what you should be looking at and what you're going to need to read. So obviously in the book birding document, you're going to want to read all of this information. So making sure to read through the entire document because some of the questions from the assessment are going to come from this. So that's first and foremost. The second thing that you are going to want to look at is this book birding assessment article. So when you click on it, what's going to pop up is going to be a page with a link. This is the article that you want to look at. So if you want to click on it, do the control click, whichever, but you can highlight it and right click and just hit open link and it's going to pop up. So it has to do with the Holocaust encyclopedia. So as you go through, there's going to be some pictures, some obviously some text there that you want to make sure that you're reading the text. So what's really important for you is there's a video here. You want to make sure to watch that video. And there is a video down here. You want to watch both of those videos. I can tell you that there will be answers to that assessment in both of those videos. So do not skip them. Okay? So if you have any questions, please let me know. I just wanted to clarify that for you guys so you knew exactly where to find information for that assessment.